Hello everyone, continue with the exercise of chapter 4 water. Next main we have give reasons column. Page number 91, E main, give reasons for the following. First one we have contaminated water is unfit for drinking. Why contaminated water is unfit for drinking? Contaminated means polluted. It may contain germs, harmful microorganisms, chemicals. Okay. Answer. Because it often contains harmful microorganisms, chemicals and pollutants that can cause illness. Illness is nothing but sick. Next we have hot water released into the water bodies is considered as pollution. Why we will consider that hot water released from the factories or from any industries? For that answer we have hot water released into water bodies raises the temperature, reducing oxygen levels and disrupting is nothing but disrupting aquatic life. This imbalance harms the ecosystem, making it a form of thermal pollution. It is raising the temperature of the water bodies, no? So we call that as thermal pollution. Third one we have powdered sugar dissolves faster in water than a lump of sugar. The lump means heap. Okay. Answer. Because it has a larger surface area in contact with the water. When we powder that when we powder that sugar, then it divides that each crystal into many, no? So it will get much surface area which will be in contact with water, so it will dissolve easily and fastly. Next, hot water is preferred over cold water for preparation of a solution. Why we will prefer hot water than a cold water for preparing a solution? Because high temperatures increase the kinetic energy of the water molecules, helping them to break down the solute particles faster. Higher temperature will lead to more solubility. So, next. Next, fifth question we have as alum is added to sedimentation tank. Already we have studied alum is helpful in the process called sedimentation. Then answer, alum help to coagulate. Coagulate means it will attaches to that dust particle and impurities, whatever will present in the water. Coagulate and settle suspended impurities. Next question. Chlorine tablets or bleaching powder or potassium permanganate is added to filter water meant for supply. Already we have studied chlorine tablets, bleaching powder, potassium permanganate and ozone are the chemicals which will be used for purification of water. Answer for this, because to disinfect impure water and kill harmful bacteria, viruses and other pathogens. We are using this three mainly. Next main, F main, we have explain the following terms. They have given some terms, we need to explain with a sentence. First one, solubility. Solubility is the ability of a substance, mainly the solute, to dissolve in a solvent forming a solution. If we take salt as a solute, if we put that salt into the solvent like water, that salty water is nothing but the solution. Second one, we have solute. A substance that is dissolved in solvent to form a solution. If I take salt to prepare salty water, then that salt is nothing but a solute. Next is solvent. The substance in which solute dissolves. The substances which have the capacity to dissolve the solute like salt, sugar and all, we call that as solvent. For example, water. Next one, we have water pollution. It refers to the contamination of water bodies such as rivers and lakes, usually due to human activities, by releasing waste materials, by washing that domestic animals. By those activities we are polluting the water. The definition you should mention here. Next, ozonization. It is the process of disinfecting water, removing infectants from the water by using ozone gas to kill the bacteria and other pathogens. Ozone will be act as disinfecting chemical there. Next, loading. Loading is the process of adding a substance to water to help suspended particles settle at the bottom for easier removal. We should remove that suspended particles now. After adding alum, to remove that dust particles has to settle down. That process is called sedimentation and also refers as loading. Next, oil spills. The release of liquid petroleum into the environment, especially into oceans, seas and rivers, often causing severe pollution. From the industries where they will use oil for engine, by their activities they are releasing that dangerous oils to the seas or oceans, that is called oil spills. Next one, we have distinguish between the following. First one, water pollution and water pollutant. Water pollution is the process of contaminating water bodies with harmful substances. Already we have studied. Then water pollutant. Pollutant refers to the substances. Water pollutant is any substance that causes pollution in water, such as chemicals, waste and plastics. Next, tap water and pure water. Tap water is treated water. Already we have treated. Supplied to the households, which may contain certain safe chemicals for disinfection. Pure water is water that contain only water. That pure water is also called as disinfectant water. Only water, it contains only 2 molecules of hydrogen and 1 molecule of oxygen molecules, without any impurities, minerals or chemicals. The tap water can have minerals like sodium, chlorine and all. Okay. Next, third one, boiling and filtration methods of purification of water. Boiling kills bacteria and viruses by heating water to its boiling point. It's about 100 degrees Celsius. Okay. Filtration removes physical impurities by passing water through a filter but does not necessarily kill bacteria. Like sand and all, it will separate, but it can't kill the bacteria. For that we need to use chlorine, potassium permanganate, ozone and all. Okay. Next, potable water and distilled water. Potable water is safe for drinking but may contain minerals. Distilled water is pure water free from the minerals and contaminants, usually made by boiling and condensing steam. Next, unsaturated and supersaturated solution. Unsaturated solution can dissolve more solute at a given temperature. Supersaturated solution contains more dissolved solute than it can hold at that temperature achieved by heating and then cooling. By raising the temperature, we can dissolve much solute than at the room temperature. Next one we have, name the following 3 sources of river water. River water is nothing but potable water, like rainfall, glaciers, springs. 3 factors affecting the rate of formation of solution: temperature, stirring, size of solute particles. 3 waterborne diseases. Waterborne diseases refers to the germs which grow inside the water and spreads diseases: cholera, typhoid, dysentery. 3 types of surface water: lakes, rivers and oceans. 3 chemicals used to kill germs present in the water: chlorine, ozone, iodine. You can add potassium permanganate also. 3 water pollutants: industrial waste, pesticides, plastic waste. 3 properties of polluted water. Polluted refers to it has disinfectants. Okay, now first one, unpleasant odor. Already we have studied. Pure water does not contain any odor, taste. Correct? Then discolored or murky appearance, harmful chemical or microbial content. Remaining part of exercise we will study in the next video. Thank you so much.